Should I attend or not attend? Should I attend? Should I not attend? Are you also in a fix like him whether or not to attend CA Foundation face-to-face marathon? Choose wisely and I'll tell you what is it that we're going to do. I've analyzed and broken down the entire examination pattern. Do you know that account current was asked only once in the last 4 attempts and consignment came about all the attempts? This is what we're going to do in the session. And I told you before, I have a special gift awaiting for you. Let me call it in Hindi, ToFA. We're going to do lots and lots of true or false questions because it's part of our compulsory question. And we're going to do conceptual coverage from the first chapter, first unit till the last unit of the last chapter. Finally, you might ask, why is it that you can't watch this online a little later on YouTube? The answer is quite simple. Why is it that we go to temple to pray to God when we can pray right at our home? It's about the why. If you really think you can sit for 2 days, 10 hours a day and study, then this is not for you. If you think it's not, I am going to make you sit there for 10 hours and then cover the concept end to end. And trust me, always there for you. Stay in the game. See you in the face-to-face marathon.